Getariane ni gonkuru kwa Hesbon Bosiri na bwego tokunya chaka kuru ase county ya Kisii ase Enkwana ye omokonyi w'omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Dr. Robert Onsare Monda omwerio yenigo aisokirira kwerera teneni kunalio mana lia beriko bali kwenekiwa igatia ye gose eganga yogwikia Omoswada ase ebunge enene ye county ya Kisii bukwani Komorusia Abisi andake noko raga ebiara ama mocho abiriko bakakorekana ime county ya Kisii na iko kwera buna nere buya gose gwikaboni gataranyora iukorinirio nsikuru ase bunge iyo rikonyako bali komo kwanira kubwatekana amono gwikia Omoswada uyu ase bunge nabwo gori komurangiri gocha ase bunge iyo indachi konyako bagakwegera kubwatekana amona amomocho ali abiriko bakagoswerwa oroboti uruna nyaka wingo kwariganiria ase nchira jogwikiranu.
The current scenario is take Monda's name to public participation so that we drag his name through mud.
Rituko irimorioka maiga ye bunge ye county ya Kisii gochaka Omoswada bukwane ko Komorusia Abisi omokonyi w'omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Dr. Robert Onsare Monda
Of the ineligible pending bills where the complaints had been captured by the contractors from the contractors.
Niganya ko bakagwesokia tene nina kwerera ande ake okororokana ere amone gatia baraibande abale ababwatani be kiama kirikya UDA nano arabe amamocho amanene arairere ebunge ye county ya Kisii wikia Omoswada ase bunge yo bukwane Komorusia Abisi.
Before that took place, everything went quiet. The ghost worker story was left hanging. So I've told you, such drivers left hanging. Ghost workers, the story is left hanging. Nobody's talking about it. We are still paying all the people. The question is, does Kisii County government have ghost workers or not? And if they existed, who takes responsibility for the 1.5 years they are in the payroll without us taking action? We have paid some, we have not paid some. Those who have not been paid are still suffering out there, some with bank loans, but we are holding the money to a tune of 119 million. You cannot be transferring people today, tomorrow, the day after. You go to station A, you go to B, you go to Z, managed. In the first financial year, we only managed to absorb resources to a tune where we were number 47 out of 47 counties to make the public clear about any statement we commit ourselves to.
Mondaka ukwana amona bariki amangana ase Enkwana nigo aerere ng'alio manalire egatiaye amona mumura umwabo elitiri ko bari mocho linene riranya ko bari gwikiwa ase ebunge enene ye county ya Kisii endiri chikunya ko bari gukwanirwa ase ensemo eyo.
There's nowhere in the country where you will be debating a matter between a brother and a brother in the assembly. If there was anything sensible for the assembly to discuss.
Monda bono ni ganyere ko bakakweneke buna nigo ataranyora iukorindirio nsi korengana amoniri chikuria Kenya rikunyaka buri ko mwarigani gocha ase ebunge yo irinde achikunyara ko bakakwegerera kubwatikana amona mamocho ayanyere ko bakagoserwa igati abo obutumeki obobebwa Abisi okubwateniwa amono bukurumi obwanyara ko bakakwera buna aso obugima bwae bwensi tana ko bwateniwa amono bukurumi nabo igo emyaka emingi abere ko bakakorera eserikali ya Kenya.
The grounds now. I remained quiet from the time the notice of motion was given until yesterday when the real accusations were put across on the floor of the House. I now have an idea. As we speak now, the Speaker and the Clerk of the Kisii County Assembly have not been able to serve me with the papers associated with the impeachment. That is a requirement by law. Ready and equal to the issues that are raised. I will respond and have them behind me, all of them.
Andake Monda nigo akagirite buna igatia magoso ayo abiriko bagakwenekiwa ase serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii iyo kunyara ko bagikuraho amonere ball simba arati na gotema kuyagorora naro andake arairire ugoikiwa Omoswada Bw'Okogania Komorusia Abisi buna omokonyi w'umugavana koru ase kaunti ya Kisii.
Deputy Governor is simply coming to hide the really happenings of this county. The honorable members of parliament from the Kisii region or county, some came to visit me here on a Saturday afternoon. That was perceived to be a thing that a deputy governor should not do. And it was received by my governor in a very negative light. So I should not have visitors, I should not have friends because I'm a deputy governor. And the biggest enemy in that function was the CS, Honorable Machok. Don't get scared of anything. I've never been labeled with attack. I've never had attack of corruption in my life.
Inkulpoteria emesa yamangana maya kuru ase bunge ya Nyaribari retariane hespon posire.